Okay, so I think these are a blast. I've done them a couple years ago, and then I just made 4 more this weekend. I made these the other weekend.
Hats for the neighbors.
No, it's a microwave bowl holder. Cozy. Okay, we can't see. But
nobody can see your butt. Take your dang sweater off.
Hey, Uti. I can never pronounce her name.
Sandy?
She's so nice about it. No, Uti.
Oh, Utah?
Utah, yeah. Okay, so these are microwave bowl cozies. All you need is 2 12-inch pieces of fabric. We did them so they're reversible. Look at this. We're so
I can go like this.
Yep. So, look. You can do them so they... Oh, you did it backwards.
Oh, I can do it the other way.
Oh my gosh, Barb. I'm trying to show.
I know.
Okay, it can either be on the outside or the inside. So, they're reversible. Doesn't matter.
They're also different sizes.
Yeah, we're only showing one size.
Although I'm going to show you the second size.
Who wants a bowl of ice cream that big? No.
You're not going to put ice cream in it.
Well, they were talking about it, and this is great for if you've got cold ice cream. Then it doesn't make your hands...
Ice cream is supposed to be cold.
I know, but you don't want your hands cold.
Oh, I thought you were going to put it in the microwave.
I just made 14... Oh, my gosh. Okay,
Carla,
fine. You win.
Need to show us.
Those are too cute. Yes, they are really cute. So all you need to do these is 1 piece of inner and 1 piece of outer fabric.
In between?
And then you have 100% cotton batting. You need 2 of those. 1 for your outside fabric. Will you show the other one?
I will.
And 1 for your inside fabric. So, okay, there are the 2.
So you don't want to use Insulbright?
No.
You don't want to use fusible batting?
Nope.
Or fusible fleece?
No, you want 100% because you're going to put them in the microwave.
Your ice cream?
Okay, Barb, that one's gone. We're not doing that one.
I'm going to scream all the way home today.
Yeah, you are. No more candy for you. Okay, so you have a piece of fabric, a piece of 100% cotton batting, a piece of fabric, another piece of 100% cotton batting. That's all you need to do this. Okay, so will you bring it down?
I will.
Okay, so it doesn't matter which one I'm going to start with, the inside or outside. Oh, also, before you cut this, you can quilt it. I did not quilt mine, and Cindy says it's the law. So,
you don't have to quilt it.
You can do whatever you want. It's yours. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold this in half after it's quilted if you want to quilt it. But you've got to have your batting 100% cotton plus 1 piece of fabric. Okay?
Would I want to trim off the edges?
Nope, you don't need to.
Okay, good to know.
You just make sure this is a little bit bigger than what it calls for. Let me see where the... Okay, so in your pattern, you're going to get this... Oh, that's shiny. This outline for your cutting this out. And what you'll do is you'll copy this a couple times, and then you can tape it in the middle. So you'd have tape right here on your fold. I cannot do this.
Or I would just do it on the fold.
Well, it's too big for a piece of paper.
I would use freezer paper.
You can use freezer paper. But if you just have regular 9 by or whatever it is. Okay, so you're going to take it. I've got it taped, make believe. Put this, because this right here is a fold line. Doesn't say it there, but I think it says it on the pattern.
There is a pattern for this.
Yes, inside. You will only get one of these. That is the pattern that you're going to get in your kit. If you order a kit or if you just order the pattern. It will just be one section. So you'll copy it again. And then I just tape it. Or if you have freezer paper or however you want to do it. Okay, so then, I don't have a rotary cutter.
There should be one on the left there. Not?
No. Oh, there it is. It's right in front of me. Oh. Okay, so this is me. I will take and I will just cut around this. See how good I am? And then it'll tell you in the pattern that this is 3 inches from here to there. So you'll just cut that out.
I need to move.
And you should pin this probably. Just so you know I don't.
I would definitely pin it.
Whatever. Nope, see? I'm good. Then I just gotta do a little snip. I don't ever use this kind of cutter. Okay. You just gotta get the point.
Aren't you good?
I'm really good. Okay, so you're gonna cut around this whole thing. Let me cut here. I would probably use a ruler, but not now.
Your blade's not down.
I'm left-handed. How do you do this?
You gotta hold the button.
Oh
in.
yeah, gotta hold the button. Okay. So cut that off. I'm gonna cut this side off. Oops. I don't want to cut my hands off on camera. So go around here. And you can do this with a pair of scissors. If I had my rotary mat, it'd be a lot easier.
You're rotating, huh?
Rotating mat, yeah. Okay. So there, I've cut that out. Guess what? It's done. All 4 sides. So that's what we want. And we're going to do it on the other piece of fabric that we have also. So they'll be the same. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to match this dart up right here. And you're going to take a 1/4 inch seam. And I like to backstitch back here so they don't come undone. So you take 1/4 inch seam there. Do the same with that one. And with these other 2. Okay, so you'll have all of those.
So you have a bowl already.
Already. So they'll all be sewn, all 4 of those. Put that off to the side. Do the next piece of fabric. So you'll have those. So then you've got them all sewn, all 4 darts. And then I will take, because then you've got just your scallop edge, your rounded edges. And I'll put one inside the other. I will pin where these seams are. That's the pin.
Because you want them to be at the same point.
I want them to match. I'll do the same over here on this dart. And then I will sew all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. And you'll leave an opening, okay? You'll leave an opening so you can turn them right side out. And then you've got your bowl shape because you've sewn and you've turned them right side out, okay? So you don't see any of those seams. You see those darts? If you saw, they match up perfectly, just so you know.
They are.
Well, yeah,
perfect.
it does. It does. Okay, so you've got it turned right side out now. Now you're going to take and do like just a top stitch all the way around because you're going to close up your opening. And don't do your opening on the curve because you won't like yourself. Do it on a flat place. And I don't include the seam. So I will do it from here to there. Leave an opening. So you're going to stitch that all up, top stitch it. And then you come back, and this is where you're really challenging. I challenge myself. I'm going to take and I'm going to do a stitch all the way from that corner to that corner.
Wow.
Yeah, so you'll just have an X in the middle.
That really ties it together, though.
Yeah, it does.
I love that.
So you've got your shape. It is really that simple.
And I don't think it needs to be quilted.
No.
But that is really
I did not quilt
cute.
this one, but it's cute quilted.
Hey, show us the back of that one, the bottom of this one again, because
This
you
one?
can really see that nicely.
Yeah, see there? I didn't even get a pucker. I'm
That
so
is
proud
so
of me.
cute.
Okay? Does anybody have any questions? Oh my gosh, I'm going to sweat today.
Let's see if they have any questions.
Okay.
I'm not trying to take you out of here.
We do. Oh, let me show you.
Which way to
Okay,
go?
so we have this kit. I don't know what all the names are. That's a cute one.
Yes,
That's the one I
Jennifer,
just
they
did.
can go in the microwave because you don't have any metal in it. You don't have any.
You have 100% cotton.
And use your thread that is 100% cotton, because if you
Yes.
use your rayon or your decorative threads, then you cannot put those in the microwave because they'll start on fire.
Here's what I do. I don't put them in the microwave. I heat my bowl up and then I'll put it in there. Cindy goes, that's the whole idea of this. I'm like, well, I didn't use 100% cotton, so I did not put
You
it in the
didn't
microwave.
on here?
Those I did, because I did
Okay.
those here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so if I don't have 100% cotton, I just don't put them in the microwave.